Now we are going to look at the transaction during the period. April 3, goods sales on credit. Chiffon Traders, the following. Chiffon Traders is one of the Sunday debtors we have to be created because we sell the goods, but our company name is Chiffon Co Company, but our Sunday debtors name is Chiffon Traders. Okay, it's a different one. So first we have to be select the voucher. You know that it is the good sale, so we have to choose the sales voucher and we have to be enter this information. So how can we enter? So I'm going to be press and go to the accounting voucher and press sales voucher, otherwise you can press F8 key into the keyboard. So I'm going to be select a sales voucher. So the first I need to change the date, April 3. So I'm going to be set the date, press F2 key, 3 of April. Then party name is there is no Chiffon Traders, so I'm going to be create the Chiffon Traders. So under the Sunday debtors, because we sell the credit sales, I'm going to be create the ledger old plus C, and I'm going to be type Chiffon Traders. He is our Sunday debtors because we are selling credit. So then yes, if you have the order number from the Chiffon Traders, we can put, and if we deliver the product based on the delivery note, so we can enter here the delivery note number, order number, and Chiffon Traders address and everything you can enter, but currently I don't have, so I just press enter key. So the next one is a sales ledger. This is the credit sales, so I'm going to be create the credit sales. So if I want to be create the ledger old plus C, the ledger creation will come. So I'm going to be type credit sales. So the credit sale coming under the sales account, so I'm going to be type sales. So you can see here the sales account here. So now I'm going to be enter the details of the sale. So iron box 6 number 1200. So I'm going to be type here iron box, how many, iron box 6 number 1200, 6 number 1200 rate we sell. The next one is heater 10 numbers, heater 10 numbers, how much the price, we selling price is 1300. That's it. So end of the list, and I'm going to be accept yes. So the first transaction done. The second transaction, April 7, purchase on credit from Nanban Traders. So Nanban Traders is a Sunday creditors, so we have to be create, and Dolo, Metazin and Vic section. So now I'm going to be go to the tally. If we purchase, we have to choose the purchase voucher. You can click the purchase, otherwise you can press F9 key. So this is the purchase voucher. So if you want to be change the single mode, Control plus V, the single mode will be activated. So now I'm going to be change the date first, F2. The date is April 7, so 7 April. The party name is Nanban Traders, so there is no Nanban Traders. We have to be create the Nanban Traders company. He is the Sunday creditor. So I'm going to be press Alt plus C and type Nanban Traders Sunday creditors. So I'm going to choose the Sunday creditors, and the purchase ledger is credit purchase, so I'm going to be create the credit purchase ledger. So how can I create? Alt plus C, the ledger creation will come. So I'm going to be type credit, say credit purchase, and it is coming under the purchase account, so I'm going to be enter the purchase account, then yes. So the details is $500 MB 1000 tap, so I'm going to be type T $500, how many quantities, 1000 each, 6 rupees, so I'm going to change the 6, and then total amount 6000. Then we are going to purchase Metazin, so I'm going to be type M Metazin, how many, 1500 taps, 4 rupees, 1500 the 4 rupees. The next one is we are going to buy Vicks Action, so I'm going to type V Vicks Action, how many, 1000 each, 25, 1000 each, 25. Then end of the list, yes. So we enter the purchase on credit from the non-bank traders. The third one is April 11 good sales return to Chiffon traders for the following. We know well that we sell the goods Chiffon traders April 3, but some of the items are returned to our company April 11, so we have to be enter this transaction into the credit note. So first I need to be go to the Charlie. If you see that credit note not activated, so if you want to be enable, you need to be go to the features or press F11 key, and then you can press F2, the inventory features will come. So you can choose here use debit and credit note. I'm going to be type yes, and here also yes, and here also yes. Then I'm going to be accept. So now the credit note and debit note will be activated. So now I'm going to be press the credit note. The date first I'm going to be change. The date is a return date April 11, so 11 4. The party's name where the items came, came from Chiffon traders, so I'm going to be choose the Chiffon traders. If you have the details you can enter here. And the sales ledger, what is the sales ledger? We have to be create the sales return ledger because it's a sales return, so I'm going to be create the sales return ledger, all the plus C. I'm going to be type sales return, and it is coming another sales account, so I'm going to be choose sales account. Then the items return Ironbox 2 number, Ironbox 2 number. If you enter, the rate will be appear because we know well that we sell to Chiffon traders each 1200 Ironbox. It automatically understand the rate. What are the items sale the previous rate, it will be choose into the as a rate. So the rate is 1200, and then second items returns heater. I'm going to be enter heater. If I type H, the heater will come. Then choose the how many items, 3 numbers. If you enter, it will the rate the 1300. You can see here 1300, so correct. So then enter, accept. Okay, so now we enter the good sales return Chiffon traders. So the next one is April 15 goods sold to Sana traders following. So Sana traders is our Sunday debtor, so we have to be create. We don't have a Sana traders, so we have to be create. So first I need to be know that which voucher we need to be enter here. This is sold, so we have to be choose the sales voucher. So go to the sales voucher or press F8 key, or otherwise click here the sales voucher. So the sales voucher will be activated. So now I'm going to be change the date. The date is 15 April and the party's name is Sana Traders. There is no Sana Traders, so I'm going to be create old plus C, the Sana Traders. It's a coming under the Sunday debtors, so he's a Sunday debtors. Then yes, if you know the details you can enter, but I don't have a detail, so I'm just enter. So the sales ledger, this is the credit sales, because they mentioned that credit sales, and also the name will appear, it means that the credit sales. So the sales ledger is credit sales. Then we have to be under the items details. Dolo 500, I'm going to be type Dolo. The quantity is 3500, each rate 8 rupees. Then second one is Metazin 2500, Metazin 2500. How much the price? Each 6 rupees we sell. And the next one is we are going to sell the Cerodel. I'm going to be press Z, the Cerodel. I'm going to be choose the amount 3000 each, 14 rupees. The next one is Vix Action. The amount 3500 is tips, each 32. Then end of the list, then we save. Yes, so now we save Sana Traders, we sell the Sana Traders, so we record into the sales voucher. The next one is April 19 purchase return, Nanban Traders. If we purchase return, we have to be choose the debit note. So first I'm going to go to the Tally, and you can see here debit note the right side, so you can click here, otherwise Control plus F9. First I'm going to be change the date. The date is April 19, so 19th of April. The party's name Nanban Traders, right? Nanban Traders. And we have to create the purchase return, so there is no purchase return account. I am going to be create Alt plus C, purchase return. It is coming under the purchase account, so I'm going to be enter the purchase account. Then yes, the return is a first one Dolo 100 tape we return, so 100 quantity, the rate is 6 rupees, right? Because you can see here Nanban Traders 6 rupees Dolo, right? Yes. And the second one is Metazin. So Metazin, if I type M, Metazin will come. The quantity is 300, so 300. The rupees, how much? 4 rupees. You can see here Metazin 4. The next one is Vix Action 250. If I type V, Vix Action come 250. Then price 25. You can see here the Nanban Traders 25. We bought 25 and we return the same price, so 25, like that. So then I'm going to be save it. Yes, now we have done all the transaction relative with the inventory creations. So now I'm going to be look at that the stock summary details. So how can I get the stock summary details? First I need to be press escape key and go to the gateway of Tally. Under the gateway of Tally, press stock summary, and you can see the primary group, stock group will appear. So you can select and the primary group. Under the primary group you can see the subgroups. So the first one, electronic items. If you want to be know the what are the items and how many quantities, a price, you can get the details. If you double click, you can get the details. The calculator 525, the heater, iron box and everything details have. So then I'm going to be press escape. So if you want to be get that industrial item, double click. So brakes and cement 500 have. Then if you want to be get the medical items summary, so you can see here. So this is way we can get the stock summary details from the Tally. So now I hope that you understand very well about the stock creation in Tally.